In this video, we listed the 5 best electric bike on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dpower X20 Pro. Dpower Bicycle Industry Company, Limited, established in 2018, is a specialized manufacturer of upright, mountain e-bikes, folding e-bikes, and standard mountain bikes. Their products are certified with CE, MSDS, UN 38.3, EN 15194, ensuring top-notch quality and service. With a dedicated team of engineers, advanced production facilities, and strict quality control measures, Dpower focuses on innovation to meet customer preferences and welcomes OEM, ODM orders. They offer swift responses to inquiries within 8 hours, aiming to provide dependable quality, competitive pricing, and efficient feedback. Additionally, they emphasize safe parcel transportation and offer both wholesale and dropshipping options. The X20 model boasts features such as a brushless motor, aluminum alloy frame, lithium battery, and various riding modes, catering to a range of preferences and needs. Number 2. ZPW RS6 Electric Bike. The ZPW RS6 bike is a 400W48V35AH 14-inch adult mini electric bicycle designed for city commuting and folding convenience. It features a carbon alloy frame, 14-inch tires, front and rear mechanical disc brakes, and an intelligent controller. The bike is equipped with a Panasonic battery, with configurations including a stand, tools, basket, backrest, and key. With a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms, a top speed of 35 kilometers per hour, and a torque of 50 N*M, the bike offers a smooth and efficient ride. The e-bike comes with a range of safety and maintenance tips for users, emphasizing safe driving, battery care, road condition selection, and regular inspections. ZPW, a reputable manufacturer with nearly 20 years of experience in the electric bicycle industry, ensures quality production, strict quality control, and reliable after-sales service. The bike is foldable for easy storage and transportation, making it a practical choice for urban commuters. Number 3. Suron Electric Bike. The electric dirt bike MX 6.0 by Hezo is a powerful mid-drive electric bike designed for luxury and performance. With a 60V 6000W brushless motor and a lithium battery supply, this e-dirt bike offers a top speed of over 50 km per hour and a range of over 60 km per charge. The aluminum alloy frame, full shock absorption damping, hydraulic disc brakes, and LED headlight ensure a smooth and safe riding experience. The bike features a 19-inch wheel size, non-foldable design, and a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms. With specifications like a 60V 40R battery capacity, 80 to 100 kilometers range, and a maximum speed of 75 kilometers per hour, the Hezo Light BX MX 6.0 promises an exhilarating ride for thrill seekers. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for electric motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 4. Dpower H26 PRO Electric Bike. Dpower Bicycle Industry Company, Limited, established in 2018, is a prominent manufacturer specializing in a variety of bicycles such as upright, mountain e-bikes, folding e-bikes, and standard mountain bikes. Their products are certified with CE, MSDS, UN 38.3, and EN 15194, ensuring high quality and safety standards. With a dedicated team of engineers, advanced production facilities, and rigorous quality control measures, Dpower focuses on delivering top-notch products and excellent customer service. They offer customization options through OEM, ODM orders and prioritize quick responses to inquiries within 8 hours. Dpower emphasizes innovation to meet customer preferences and aims to provide dependable quality, competitive pricing, and prompt feedback. They offer various riding modes, including pure electric, pedal assist, and human riding modes, with the ability to adjust the maximum speed. Dpower ensures efficient delivery with products typically dispatched within 24 hours and shipped from EU and US warehouses, providing a seamless experience for customers. The H26 PRO model, with specifications like a 48V 17.5 lithium-ion battery, 48V 1000W rear motor, and 26-inch tires, exemplifies the quality and performance that Dpower products offer. Number 5. Nathaniel 26-foot Electric Bike. The SYR02 electric bike features a 26-inch aluminum alloy frame with a powerful 1000W high-speed brushless motor and a choice of 48V 15R, 17R, or 20R removable lithium battery for extended rides. It comes with a 3.5-inch LCD display screen with USB, Shimano 7-speed gear system, front and rear disc brakes, and 4.0 fat tires suitable for various terrains. The bike offers 3 riding modes and 5 power levels, making it suitable for adults and teenagers alike. The aluminum alloy frame provides durability and stability while being lightweight. The bike also features soft tail shock absorbers for a comfortable ride, and the multi-link center and front soft tail shock absorption system enhance control performance. With a maximum speed of 40 km per hour and a range of over 60 km per charge, this electric bike is designed for a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. FFFFFFFFFR5